fellas, I'm out here in the garage this morning. I just came in from outside. I just shut the door, garage door there. It's 70 degrees outside, but the wind is blowing with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. So it's pretty rough out there. Been working on Ruby, 49 Chevy pickup. Changed the oil yesterday. Kind of going through, checking things out. I like to get the grease out and grease the hood latch and all the door latches and everything, and make sure everything's nice and lubed up and no squeaks and everything. And there's all the remnants from the oil change yesterday. There's my hummingbird feeders I pulled out. I need to clean those up and get those out, get them hung up, because the hummingbirds will be here in about a week or two. But I want to do a little mail call this morning. Let me set my butt down here. Do a little mail call here this morning. Man, I got some good ones. This one here is from Vincent Weston. Look at that. Models from the dungeon. Let me get my fat finger off Weston's face there. Or Vincent's face there. That's a good looking card. I really like that. That looks pretty sharp. Vincent, I appreciate the card. Nice looking card. That looks awesome. All right, got another one here. This one's from Rick Zink. Skeletal Remains, Scale Auto Restoration. What in the heck are those? I'm not sure if those skeletons in the motorcycle and the dragster there, if those are maybe 1/25th scale or not, but that looks pretty cool. See how he's got this, all his letters are in bones. That looks pretty cool. Rick, I appreciate it, and appreciate the kind words on the back. Looks pretty cool. I like the shop card. I like getting all the shop cards because I'm collecting them. So keep them coming, boys. And last but not least, check this one out. This one's from Don over there at Red Barn Model Works. And I tell you what, if you haven't been to this site yet, you need to go over and take a look at Don's. Let me get this where it'll set up here. Get over and take a look at Don's barn here. That's his model workshop out there, and he's got an awesome shop out there. And the walls are just lined with kits. And right there's his Facebook page, his channel. You need to go check him out. Boy, it's and I like how he's got the little scan there where you can scan your phone on, take you right to it. That is pretty cool. Don, thanks for the kind words on the back, and awesome looking shop card. And I like watching your site there. You got some good videos going on. So thanks for that shop card, Don. All right, everybody. I was over at the Unified Scale Automotive Content Creators site. Boy, it's still always a mouthful. And I think it was BG's Model Workshop. That's who's putting this stash challenge on. And well, I thought I would show everybody my so-called stash. I don't know if you'd call it a stash or not, but anyway, this is you guys will get a kick out of this. I just shove models under my computer desk. I've got them all underneath there. I've got some piled over here. I've got some piled over here. That's that new one I got here a while back at California Drag Combo. I'm getting sidetracked here. And then, hell, I've got some up here that I'm working on and pulling parts from, and I think I got some over here. Hell, I got a monster truck over here. So I think that's all I got. I've just got models kind of shoved everywhere. So now, I guess my question is, how many models does it take to be considered a stash? I don't think I've got a stash here. It's just, I've got a bunch of models just laying around. And boy, I tell you what, like some of you fellas out there, you've got some got some one hell of some stash out there. Gosh, I know I've seen some, fellas have got over 100, 200 kits sitting in these rooms piled up and things. And man, that's awesome. I wish I had all that. But this is what I've got here. And like I said, I don't consider this being a stash. It's just, and I don't have any kind of a system. When I decide to build my next model, I'll come out here and get me a cup of Joe and sit down and like I'm sitting right now in this chair and just kind of look at what I've got right there, and I'll pick one and go from there. I always tell myself I'm not going to buy any more models because I got plenty to work on for a few years. But boy, I tell you, when I get to looking online and the new thing's coming out and I see something that strikes my fancy, I just got to buy it. So hell, who knows? Maybe in a couple years I'll have what I might consider a stash. Who knows? But that's about all I've got as far as stash. I don't consider it a stash, but I'm going to say I have no stash and I have no system. How's that? So that's all mine, fellas. That's about all I got going on this morning. All right, man, that's it.